Baga shower is washing. Every person, let me go in the game. And it's not in that you won't wash or who should over again. It won't want all you wash. All have no sheep, you know, over again. Oh, she, only she from family in those sheep. Joy of God, that's small one niggy wouldn't again. Oh, call on you, she. Oh, he did it for him. He did have one already. So, if we the cost the jelly broke. Mrs. Okon, only jelly brogi, ekabuya. I don't want to add to your problem. Mrs. Okon, only jelly brogi is still active on you. Agama bogo also. Let me not add to your problem. So Brook jelly brogi gawagodi. Only jelly brogi can never be reversed, can never be revoked. Let it remain there. Go there by. Get on the jelly brogi, lower because it jelly help all and you bongo no everlasting on naga hapu. Let it be upon you first. So every time I will remind you that ijele brogono and don't know how brogi can you give sobu. Onyoshi perima. Onyoshi, joy of God. Asimon wonegi. Joy of God. Asimon wonegi. Thunder wonegi. Joy of God. Asimon wonegi wonage. Chineke okwanego kon. Thunder lebonegi wonegi. Onwu wonegi. Otroba wonegi. Mrs. Okon, asimgi onwu gewugi because ijele help olani bogono. So that cause or cause will remain like that, unrevocable. I'm gonna again. It will only ijele brogi. That honor ijele brogi. It remains like that. Nobody can remove that cause. I'm gonna again. Again. Only jele brogi, Mrs. Okon, it will remain like that, everlasting to everlasting. Away Jupiter wola, gato pugino bon, jele brogi. It will not know hotel should brogi. I am adding an amen to honor brogi. Yes, I'm a fish boy. Your husband is jobless. Diggy, who a jobless man. Get Diggy now, nothing. Diggy the jobless. I sell fish with pride. Diggy the jobless. Diggy when you want. Diggy when you Diggy when you she. Diggy when thief. Diggy when you she. Diggy now. Diggy when you she that cannot produce. Diggy that can only like produce who. Now can produce one or okay. I can't help you. Get up from here. Ghana pay you to saga. You can't come here. You won't know she. Diggy, apa, Diggy Jaram. Our man, Diggy, who a gay. That is why your husband can never impregnate you because always gay man. Ngine no hudokra hagema. Okon, ngine no hudi, awokra hagema. Ngina no hudi. An impotent man. Your husband is impotent. What can I want spam ni mamo ya? Eh? What can wo ya no spam ya no mamere? What can I want get mamere ni mo togi? Ibu give mamere ko na ni gini ni ibu gi. Oh, je m'en Ijele said it. Ijele kurioku na ihe na agba gị n'ime ọkpa gị bụ mmiri dike enwe spam n'ime amụ fia jigba digi ewu ekperima ị ga-agịre bari na gị baa n'ala ili ị ga-agba aka nwa Okon. I add to the prayers of Ijele. Today, for the first time, I am concurring with whatever Ijele have said. Okon, Asimgi, I concur to all Ijele have said, and I say amen to it. Igabaka nwa. Okon, igabaka nwa. Okon. Oh, wait, let me bring it up. Bamu. Okoto gidelu. Bakoto gidelu kai kuokwa. Kamoto gidelu. Now have your time. Okon, now have your time. Onyoshi. Okon, now have your time. Bakoto gidelu. Okon, Ijele sina. Igabaka nwa. And igabaka nwa. For the first time, I am going to concur with what Ijele said. Oko nega hamunwa ti oge bana liligi digi wele amu rere na osigini mo oge ga jodigi owu otulanshi o lamu ye tige ore use hi bia na use okun na bedi o he digi jire no omuripu hunwa oko na hembara ge bagote ne come, I have the privilege to bring you up. Come on.
Busy.
Oh God, digi na to pulu gime. You are not na digi na digi ala to pulu gime. Na afogi autogi ala ka ti spam. Oh God, ele me no ko ki to ka ti spam oh God. Oh giri me no to ge ji mo li pu hunwa. Ji mo li pu hunwa God.
You don't get family member.
Why are you married?
No, see, Nana, why
are you married?
You don't get family member.
You want keep them. You
don't get family member.
Why yaga? You want keep them. You want why yaga? That was the day when I saw you want. Oh God, God, I'm on where you want yaga. Oh God, you want yaga. You want shameless woman. You want go. Oh, you got to get it. I'll quit you. I'll quit it. Jingena, Ghana, that is why you went back to Ijele. And we Ijele, Jingana, Ragagi. That is why you went back to Ijele. Okon, Okon, as one Gwegi Wodigi. Okon, that's what about one Neki of one Nagi. Did you Okon, you were a jobless man. Did you what I call Okon, did you what I call Okon, did you what I call one that I got to be umbrella. Okon, one that I only for one yaga. One yaga. Digi with a boyfriend, oh God, even a with a boyfriend, why is the perfect now? Oh God,
God will punish you.
Oh God,
punish you. Oh God, you will never know God. You never know peace. Oh God, peace. And you oh God, oh God, very soon, I got to forget no I got to forget no you are smelling. Oh, God, so choking no. I got one. Oh God, oh God, oh God, I got one. What can they wear station? They wear station. Oh God, they wear station now. He got more because all you do in your life.
God, how come on around? Can you because if I want to, oh God, he get jack out, jack out like a war with you, he get jack out with you. Oh God, he get jack out with you. Asking for God, he get like a war with you, he get jack out with you. Because at this point, at the point, it's really like a war with you.
You don't even feel by better soap make you bath. See your skin looking so
oh God,
look at your hair looking sad.
Tell you long come you get bunch of perfume, bunch of funcha. Why you almost secretary? Oh, when legi.
For the candidate.
Come on, Singapore, or you oshi. Katara to walk one legi. Wanyaga. 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 Okol wanyaga. Okol wanyaga. Oh, you have an auto, nothing is functioning also. When it's not functioning, you auto get really, auto get like condemn. German, I'm not here. What's going to be Germano, Obushuan, German. If you shop for you, put body. All the shop for you, put body. Come on, get into okay. Oh, wouldn't know why are you here? Why did you send a request? Where you want to get that? Yeah, Singapore, Shineke Pokwan Negono. Come on, Bafunga. Only one niggy. To one niggy.
Praise in Chuku. Object, we were useless boy.
Come on, shoot down.
Yes, come on, get out there.
Come on, look out from here. Come on, smell her from this place. It's your race. Come on, get up from here. Turn down the wood. On wukwe negi. Nega shawozu negi. Nego yuoshi. Nega akuburu ni here. On wukwe negi. Come on, will you smell her from this place? You God-forsaken idiots. Come on, get up from here. Idiot all around. Imbecile. Pam. Ketar. Will you get up from here? You. Come on, Shinga. Idiots. Oh, okay, what is your own? Why are you here? Otroba bukwe negi. Oko nwanye barren. Nwanye barren na bi wetere m ọnụ. A barren woman na bi wetere m ọnụ. A barren woman na bi wetere m ọnụ. Chineke bụkwa ni n'ọnụ. Ndị believe.
Good evening.
Yes.
Can you hear me? Calm down, no para. I know carry this thing home. I just want to make you calm down. What's the when I calm down for this in a para now? Why you letting people you don't know of social media stress on you? Why? All of you should calm down. And when you have the age of now, me.
Cheer go on. Don't give me cheer. Shinda. Come here to do what? You can't go to my phone. Come on, will you get up from this place? Shingafo, this is not the time for you to advise me. Or I shall give advice. Ele give to Onyoshi. Give to Onyoshi bia on one negi. Give to bia why ashtawo. Awo yeke. Ya wo nyamchoka. Ni kwenga. Onyoshi give to bia. Onyoshi give to bia. Ashawo na ba pala. Natimaya. Ashawo na kitro na dana. Give the shower 300 bia. Give a shower 300 naira bia. Give a shower 300 bia. Idiot, gaga one negi. Gaga one negi. Give the shower 300 naira senge bia. Bia one negi. Give now about shower. Give that shower. Give that shower. Give to Bia. Give Anna and not that building with 300 naira. Anna got about 500. Give Anna walk for your no Bia. On the mayor, I didn't carry a wooden nugget. Give that she can nugget, wooden nugget, won't wash. Nugget won't wash. She gives nugget your mother, but this. Negi, a poor woman. A poor woman, Negi, we very poor woman, but I might have this Zoshimano. A give here Kubo Negi. Biama. Biaman. And then will come of you, what am I go? Hey, Ka, as one saga, we hang out her. Hang out our saga for saga. Give put up only one Negi. On put a picture, on Waggy saga. Negi. Onyoshi. Because negi wonyoshi. Negi wonyoshi. That's one negi. Otroba one negi. Hem get one negi. Give to Pota Kamana Vita police station. I am glad. Keep for police and I come to you. I'm not on you. Come make arrest. But because of Naibu Walama and this come and arrest me. Come and borrow police station. Mrobe clear in the police station. Your own record. What's it about me? You daring me? Oko le DM. Hey, rest I'm not gonna street girl. Lele bingo. Lele bingo. Onye wunkema. Ongwa gaga zuike. Biko block ora munkema. Do not mute this in kem. Biko block ora munkem. Block oya. Achom ke block oya. Biko block ora munkem. Yoshi. Come on, Shingafo. With your fake accounts. Look at up from here. Come on, get out. Only one nigga. Edge my own record. Everybody bully me. She's bullying me. Koneka onyoshi. Idiota lepe uwa. Why onyoshi lepe? Lepe nga. Leia onyoshi say o child of God or say o joy of God. Leia nga. Among where wonya joy of God or where wonya no nga because conversation confirm where wonya no here. Oh no, where joy of God is she the one? Okay, I see no over here. She's not the one. All right. All the post to that picture ya agme gitere liar. She's not the one. That's what we have. More than 10 people for we have. Divine, do you know her person? That's what we have. Yes. Joy of God, Onyoshi, Aranena prison. Onyoshi, Aranena prison. Nna go Onyoshi, Mpage gradi bwa onde batana. Ni maya. Egide Mpage, kukide, buka na prison negi chawa akola. Gake buka negi ran negi. Towa negi even negi amoge. Emkasi Onyoshi. Emkasi Onyoshi, negi Onyoshi. Nna gi Onyoshi. Ishi na brundo shipota. Ndo shindara. Ndonge wunneha. It's a read comments. I read the comments. Okay, you're gonna post it. Yes, Florence, please post the video. When you post it, I'm going to take it from there. Post it from there, I'm going to take it. Post it. Ndoshi. Black CC. Block CC. Or I should block CC. Yeah, CC seems to be one of them, right? Let me get her. Let me get her and block the idiots. Let me get her comment section. Let me get her comment and block the bastard. Our time. Here got her work saga. Saga for saga. Onyo shalara dia. Geli idiot na lulu hudi. Yellow joy of God na lufu hudi. Eluludi. Onya ryo. A beggar. A beg. Oh, where my bed? Come on, man. Ah, what you was on me? What you was on? Asimono ye boso kan ne o ya bokoloso onya boloso ka wo ogo gaga ebe niile onyu oshi wana nwa ya lola di okpo ma ato onyu oshi don ga chi bogote n'elu dale kwenu mo dale kwa onyu oshi man of God
Geo Megan Pa.
Give on over. I can molest Mohano.
Okay.
How may kuna a voice record the jelly post jelly na abada ne mega. So how sorry, jelly na machine lord. So machine lord for jelly. Now one else she bura abada. Amamo how assembly no ndega bura abada. So the young lady that when they play the voice record, they were listening to the voice record though. So my batanga, Emma, Amam Nadaleti na fight by Madam. Emma Adema or Amabum. Amamo, I want my dear. And Emma this Emma TikToker with random place. So I am from Jigeba. I'm from happiest that day. And even happiest, I'm going to box one, I'm going to go and care. So I'm 4 happiest, I'm going to that box. I'm not going to put room at the box. I didn't really feel my mouth get them naga. I'm also I'm not looking at the box. They only have 20 something viewers. I mean only with small hosts now. I want to know a big host to put to room. I want to get with you. Only I want on your I want to how we host. Only I get as on a normal a way with the food. So all I go to them, all I'm to put up Pasarea.
Okay.
Now, how many na ijele na machine lo to their voice record onesi we buru abada e ma kes na akoya so ba mata live stream sia na go machine lo sia e voice note gi na gari up and down no de ho mma now me buru abada o ana amaro e buru abada ana amaro abada pick call ya abada zara call and abada zara call ko ye ji na police station. Abada zara call ka normal person no le ya na-ekwu okwu mo na osi na nwa ife dị n'udo dị na nwere na-eme o na o God will fight for me ma na-ekwucha mgbanye call m so mbesi ka eze me butezi the woman ko ye buzi the woman ya ka mgbanye live stream mo ka the idiot na live stream na ozi ma afa na mbu ewu na mbu ezi na mbu gay mbu nwoke ntu gogogogogogo aboko mu na afa akpari mu unu mu na ekwuru okwu then ewu a idiot as na we street girl ya bi no were na mmegori mistake kpọ ya afa nke iberiba onye nka no onye nka sorry onye ewu a nka si na afa ya bụ gift
afun be the money nka na group ana had it
idiot onye nke fe ba ọ na-agbagwa shawo na atimaya ebe akọ na enwere one brothel ụmụ nwanyị na-agba ọtọ n'abalị agba egwu na atimaya ebe akọ na-arụkwa ewu efuru ebe a Or say, now go the alpha. Because the police now. One neighbor I'm saying, I'm saga. Let us go to police station.
Baby na. But you nwere ikwu adịrọ bad na whereby na because mgbe m bi life back a voice record of that woman na fly. Onwere no that thing is not normal. Your own opinion equal.
I didn't even call their name. That is my anger. Why are they not abusing me? Why are you insulting me? Give us one again abo. Aboram gafa. Nda guru. Hey, big host. Big host. I have to come back to get a big host. I'm like a small host. Do you want to be a small host to you? I'll follow my page. I'll follow page. Your followers is just one video a minute. Followers again, it's just one video a minute on my page. Like so much.
That the Hana wode na hafilu na badabo ano nganga mpi. Aga nworo na ubi ona. The woman is even okay. All these ones are online like
they are all disappointed.
That is it.
They are all disappointed. Hey, I can block idiot. Hey, I am Jima block be one. Can block you on ge wunne. Hey, your own wunne. Chineke about one nigga.
I used to tell them, but that is fine. Let them forget about the voice note flying up and down. Monday see they bumota abada. Monday see cases here phone yeah. All those things just damage control. Understand? I don't want to talk much, but let them just
listen to me, young achiever. Everyone about that. Federal government of Nigeria will write him about that arrest. Only report a case against Abada.
Yes.
Abada is not above the law.
Yeah, nobody is above the law. Nobody.
Abada carries the government in Nigeria.
Nobody is above the law.
So what big deal? I want to hear about that. I want a big deal law.
I want big deal law.
Police. About the world.
Not just minor case we are Omelo kidnapping. So Omelo human trafficking. No just misunderstanding between two best friends. Understand? Misunderstanding between two best friends. Into the other party no yen cause on atona apa nwanya achadu. You understand? Playboy na atona apa nwanya achadu nanu. Understand? Only go content creator or failed lawyer or mayor or failed lawyer or more bazan a pastor. Whether I need his own wire achadu. Okay. So I'm an only one never man a playboy na trap bank here.
And when I play well. When I play with the money business when I born. I'm on your more yamba when I wear business all over. Him now what this is just under no hana was showing at TikTok. Not gonna pay you more can I not try to work at the help or Got on Hogarunda show. Oh, my in that show got on or Garo. Oh, I got la wash. Oh, why is shameless in that shower? Oh, why in that show give that shower? Give that an open.
Angie, sorry, you said that I sound if like police cannot arrest. Maybe police get you a nobody is above the law. Likewise, my brother here. So when you more young achiever put a ticket I'm on solely phone, when you put against the law, I will go now. So I will serve the law. So I want to just good you get. So when you cover my brother, man, on the comment section, be now Munyoko. Obelegune, be here. So that is it. All this energy now, these people don't deserve your time. It's Yoku. Yes. I know we take one more joy of God. I'm not joy of God. So hey, all these things.
Oh, you want you see her? Lay on your ship, baby. My phone, your ship. Oh, you shall. Why you shower? Why you shower? They want to pay Jack Habakro. Lay, come, Ziggy. Go and never for her.
You have no child of grace. Now, no, you have no joy of God.
Joy of God, lay by full joy of God, or what child of grace? I'm a child of grace. The joy of God, I am host. A day of forever host. Yeah, joy of God, I am host. She's the host.
Again, somewhere into your Alabama. All these people now don't deserve your energy. You go hack against here, you understand? Because I don't want you to do saga with these people. Oh, we take on your BT is never now. Oh, that's okay, but I just slap us here and belly. Come more you to give. Joy of God is my person, but overall now I'm not support evil. Though she blocked me, but I'm not going to. But maybe because of no block more now. So I feel na more I got to or na which na get one. You got some things I used to do it. Though I'm never pay one more. Melo Hebel, oh, buy alone. Just one kid, Messi also continues, yeah. Melo Hebel, buy aloha, Biko. Melo Hebel, Melo Hebel, buy aloha.
Then kitchen was a dish. So one day, okay, say, aha, give her mean, oh, what